What's good, everybody on YouTube? Today I have a quick video on the 4 classic sneakers that everyone should have in their collection. The Nike Blazer Mid is a classic sneaker that everyone should have in their collection. This sneaker launched in 1973 and served as Nike's third ever footwear model. The Nike Blazer started as a basketball sneaker before it crossed over to the streets as a wardrobe staple. Like I said before, the Nike Blazer first released in 1973. Just 2 years after, Blue Ribbon Sports gained a new swoosh logo and changed their name to Nike. The Nike Blazer Mid has always moved in and out of mainstream popularity. I bought this pair in particular back in 2017, but we didn't see the Blazer boom until mid 2020. I also had a pair of red Blazers that looked completely different from this one back when I was in middle school. In 2020, we saw the Nike Blazer Mid 77 and the Nike Blazer Mid 77 Vintage grow in popularity. The surge was definitely significant, and you saw everybody with a pair of Blazers, dirty and clean. But to be honest, this model is classic and it's perfect for everyday wear. The Nike Blazer is also one of Nike's most affordable options. It has a variety of colors and styles, so you have a blazer to match any outfit and any occasion. The Nike Air Max 1 is the classic sneaker that everyone should have in their collection. When the Nike Air Max 1 was first introduced, it revolutionized the sneaker industry. The 1987 Air Max 1 was the first ever sneaker that featured visible Nike Air in the heel. When Tinker Hatfield, the renowned Nike footwear designer, introduced the concept for the Nike Air Max 1 in 1987, it faced skepticism from his colleagues. As with many visionary ideas, the running shoe was considered too bold and risky at the time. Fast forward over 3 decades, and the Nike Air Max 1 stands as one of Nike's most iconic and cherished silhouettes. The Nike Air Max 1 has been embraced by athletes, sneaker collectors, and celebrities alike. It has seen numerous collaborations, diverse colorways like the ones I have here in my hand, and the Nike Air Max 1 even has a day dedicated just for it. On Air Max Day, we celebrate the shoe, Tinker Hatfield, and the Nike Air Max 1 legacy. The Nike Air Max 1 set a groundbreaking benchmark for comfort. The visible Air Max unit in the heel changed cushioning in sneakers forever. The Air Max 1 had a sleek design and always had vibrant colors, which made it a quick, cherished choice. Till this day, you'll see a Nike Air Max 1 on the feet of a sneakerhead and just an average consumer. The Puma Suede is a classic sneaker that everyone should have in their collection. The Puma Suede is renowned for its enduring charm. This iconic sneaker boasts a sleek design that radiates style, earning it a timeless status among sneaker collectors and everyday sneaker consumers. The sneaker also spans across generations. In all honesty, versatility is the Puma Suede's forte. With the Puma Suede, you can seamlessly transition from a dressed up occasion to a more laid back one. The Puma Suede has an understated aesthetic and silhouette. It's not just a trend, but it's a fashion choice that never goes out of style. With the Puma Suede, you can dive into a spectrum of different color options, and you'll definitely find the ideal pair for you. They have red, pink, blue, orange, yellow, whatever color you want, you name it, and the Puma Suede has the color just for you. This sneaker's widespread popularity spans not only from it just being a fashionable iconic sneaker, but also its ability to change any outfit. You throw a pair of these on feet and your outfit goes from here to here. It's not merely just a sneaker, but it's a wardrobe staple. The Puma Suede will always be an indispensable sneaker in everybody's closet. Last but not least, we have the Adidas Stan Smith. The Adidas Stan Smith is a classic sneaker that belongs in everybody's collection. This timeless tennis shoe was released in 1971, and it's still popular till this day. The Adidas Stan Smith was named after former US tennis champion Stan Smith. And if you didn't know, the Adidas Stan Smith was also the inaugural leather tennis shoe. Adidas originally crafted the Adidas Stan Smith for peak tennis performance. It featured a leather upper with 3 vertical rows of perforations for breathability. This design was suitable for indoor and outdoor matches. The rubber outsole, Kelly green accents, padded collar, and textile lining further enhanced the features that have made this sneaker beloved and recognizable among shoppers everywhere. The majority of Adidas Stan Smiths come in a white base with a little bit of color on the heel, which makes the Stan Smith perfect for any occasion. It's a simple white shoe with a pop of color. Like all classic sneakers, you can dress them up and dress them down, and that goes for the Adidas Stan Smith as well. The Stan Smith has almost a perfect shape. It's not too chunky and it's not too sleek. It also screams affordable. You can get this pair for a retail price of $75, with collabs costing around $100. And also, the Adidas Stan Smith is pretty much on sale almost every single day. You can get a pair for like $40, $30, $50, and sometimes even lower than that. The Adidas Stan Smith is the classic shoe that you definitely need in your collection. You can't go wrong with a pair. The Adidas Stan Smith served as the fourth and final sneaker for this list. Before you get out of here, my name is CClaxton, and this is my platform, Something Light Media, a hub for all things sneakers. If you want to see more videos like this, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It goes a long way for me and is a small step for you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.